So guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while I posted my face on this channel. So it's nice being on your screen again right here. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to edit videos using CapCut. So peradventure you are new in video editing or anything editing, just make sure you pay attention to this video. I'll be showing you different steps how to use different tools on CapCut so that you can create amazing videos for yourself. So I believe you're excited about that. So if you are, do it to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel, Digital Hero. Subscribe to this channel, guys, so that you don't get to miss any tutorial in subsequent time. So for you to use CapCut to edit your videos, it's very simple, guys. It's very simple. So just go to your phone and download CapCut. That's the very step you must take. Download CapCut. For me, I already have CapCut on my phone. So I'll just go ahead and open CapCut on my phone. So let me open it right here. So I just opened CapCut, and as you can see, I've done several editing in the past. So for you, all these you're seeing right here under projects, it won't be showing if you are new on CapCut. What you just do is go to where you have new projects, click on the new projects, so that you get to like upload the video you want to edit on CapCut. So right here, I'm already on new projects. So let me just choose one of these videos. So I'll choose this particular one right here. So one of the AI videos I did in the past. By the way, if you want to learn how to create videos using I dropped a link in the description. So just go and watch that video so that you get to learn how you can create amazing videos for yourself using AI tools. I'll be showing you several things you can do right here on this video. I'll be showing you how to add text to your screen, how to add auto caption, so many things, guys. So just ensure you pay attention. So first thing first is, let me show you how you can split a video. So when you split a video, it is for several reasons. Either you want to delete a part of that video, or you want to trim a part, or you want to like edit that part you splitted out. Do you understand? So for you to split a video, it's simple. Go to where you want to split in your video. So just tap on the video right here. Then down here you can see split. So you can see that we already splitted this video, and this is showing right here on your screen. This split, like I said, is for several reasons. Once you tap on the split itself, you can add a transition. So you can see we have several transitions right here. So just choose anyone that you feel applies to you. We have black fade, mix. So let's choose this black smoke so that I get to see the difference it adds to the video. So I just added black smoke. I'll click on this check button right here to add it.
Unleashing fire and
Did you see that? Can you see the effect of black smoke? Let me do that. Let me play that again for you guys.
life. Unleashing
So I guess you see that. So that's how you add transitions to your video, by first adding a split to the video. So and like I said earlier, you can also use splits to delete a part of a video. So peradventure I want to delete this part of the video. I'll just tap on the video again. So I'll click on split. I'll move forward to the point where I want to delete the video. I'll click on split again. Then I tap on the part where I split it out. Can you see? Then down here you get to see delete button right here, and you go ahead and click on delete. So can you see that part has been deleted? You can use split for so many things. So that's that for that. Let me go ahead and show you guys how you can add text to your videos. So peradventure you can see right here I'm having several captions. Like these are like some captions I added to the video, things that are being said in the video. Like I'm showing the caption right here also. I'll get to show you how you can do that right away. So let me just quickly show you that. So down here you can see we have edits, we have audio, we have text. So tap on text. So right here you can click on add text if you want to add a text to the video. So can you see that? So you just write something like watch this video. So then you check it. You can check it here if you are done with what you're writing or editing. But if you're not done with what you're editing, just go ahead and do all the editing you need to do. So like I said, there are so many editing you can do right here. You can add style to the text, you can add effects, you can add animation. So let's just do one of them by adding style. So once I click on style, so I just tap on one of these. Can you see it is now written as red? Do you see that? So I just click on check, and that's added. So you can see.
in 79 CE.
Do you see that? So you can also drag this text to the end of the video if you want the text to appear throughout the video by tapping on this drag out button, and you drag it. You can also move the text. Peradventure you want a better positioning. You can see right here, it's not looking good right here. So just move it up by dragging the text on your screen. Do you see that? It's very simple, guys. And that's how you get to add text. And quickly, if you want to add caption to your videos, so just swipe here. You can see, aside from text, you can add stickers. Then we have auto caption. So once you click on auto caption, once this loads for you, then you come here and click on generate. Do you see? So once you click on generate, it says no internet connection. Okay. Once you click on generate, then all what was said in the video will be generated for you in text format. So you can just go through everything and ensure that they are exactly what you said in the video. Then you get to save it. Very simple, guys. So that's how you get to add auto caption and also how you get to add text to your videos. So let me show you guys how you can also add filters to your videos. So eventually you want to add filters, just tap on the video itself. Then use check down here for where you have filter. So you can see filter right here. So once you tap on filter, so you get to see several filters right here. So just choose anyone that you feel is the best filter for you. So you can see all of them. Very simple, guys. Very, very simple. And so that's basically how you get to add filters to your videos. I will not show you everything in this tutorial because there are so many features on CapCut. I'll just show you up to the part where I can show you to, and maybe in another tutorial we can make a second video on this topic. So if you are getting value and you would like me to make another video, make another video in the comment section and I'll surely make a part 2 of this video. So let me show you guys how you can also add voiceover to your videos. How you can add voiceover. So once you are done adding effects, then and you want to add voiceover, tap on the video again. So just come down here, then you can see we have audio right here. Can you see that? So just tap on audio, then you can see we have sound, copyright and everything. So just click on sound. So once you click on sound, then right here you can add any song or sound from this CapCut library. Do you understand? So just search for whatever you want to add right here and you get to see whatever you wish to add. For example, in the past, I added a bell sound to my videos. So that's why you are seeing ding right here. So once you search for ding, you get to see several bell sounds you can add to your video. So you can see this one. Do you see that? So I can just click on this plus button right here to add it to my video and that will be added. Also, you can also add audio from your phone library. So by coming down here, once you click on that, click on where you have device, then you can search for the audio you want to add from your phone library. Do you see that? Very simple, guys. Like, it's very, very simple to use CapCut. Just ensure you just take your time to like practice all these things I'm teaching you so that you get to master everything on your own. So that's basically how you get to add audio to your videos on CapCut. You can also extract audios from another video by using this extract button. You can also record your voice to this video by clicking on this record button right here. Do you get? Very simple, guys. So I've showed you guys how to add caption, how to add text, how to add audio, even how to add filters. So let me show you guys how you can add overlay. Overlay is very simple and it's very important you learn how to do that. Like, people use overlay when they make videos on YouTube, on Facebook. You know, those reaction videos whereby a video is playing and another video is on top showing its face or his or her face. That's how you get to add those kind of things, by using the overlay feature. So just let's go back. So you can see right here we have overlay right here. So you can see we have add overlay. So over here you can add any video you want to play on that video. Do you understand? You can add either an image or a video. So let's assume I want to add this. So I'll just tap on it. Do you see that? So assuming this is my face, you see this is how reaction videos are made, whereby the person's face will be up here and the video will be playing down here. So peradventure you are considering going into reaction videos to get monetized on Facebook or YouTube, this is how you get to do it. And also you can also drag it out. If it's an image, you can drag it out, but if it's a video, you can't drag it out. So you can see that this is the limit of it. Can you see? It can't go beyond this. But if it's an image, you can drag it to the end of the video. That's how you get to add overlay to your videos. So I believe you are getting value, guys. I believe you are getting value, right? So the last thing I'll be showing you guys is how to add effects to your videos. How to add effects. So that's also very simple, guys. So everything you need to learn about CapCut is down here. So you can just take your time and go through everything, practice on your own so that you can get to become better. Do you understand? So you can see the effects feature is also down here. Once you click on effects, then you can add body effects or video effect. So let's click on video effect and see the impact it has on the video. So once I tap on video effect, you get to see several effects over here, and you get to choose the one that you want to appear on your video. So you can see this lightning crack, you can see swing. So let's click on swing.
Sky turned black.
Do you see that? I guess you can see that. Very, very nice. I believe you've seen videos whereby this effect was used. So this is how they get to add it to videos. So imagine the video is playing and in between something like this pop
9
up.
CE, the sky turned black.
So you can see how the video got zoomed out and zoomed in. That's the power of effect. So I believe you get that part, right? So that's basically everything I need to show you guys in this tutorial. Probably in another tutorial I could make a part 2 whereby I get to like explain in detailed some other features. So let me just quickly show you. You can add stickers right here. You know, I said everything you need to learn about CapCut is down here. If you want to add stickers, you can add stickers right here. Aspect ratio, prevention, you are making a video for shorts, this is where you do everything. If you're making a video for long format video on YouTube, this is also where you do it. Let me just click on it so you get to see it quickly. So you can see 9:16 TikTok size, also for YouTube shorts. Can you see that? Then we have 16:9 for YouTube. We have 1:1 for Instagram, 4:3 for YouTube, and every other ratio you can see right here. So once you are done with all your editing on CapCut, for you to save it to your phone gallery, it's very simple, guys. Just come to this download button you are seeing up here. Once you click on that, then it starts downloading for you. Can you see? Exporting. Please don't close CapCut or lock your screen. So this is downloading already. Once it completes 100%, it means it has been saved to your phone gallery. So that's how you get to like save videos once you are done editing on CapCut. So for me, I don't want to like save this. I don't want to save this. So I'll click on this back button right here. Then it's gonna ask me if I want to quit exporting. I'll click on quit. Once I click on quit, then it stops downloading. So I guess you understand that part, right? Also, so I believe you got value. If you actually got value from this tutorial and you've not subscribed, you are very, very wrong. So just do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Let's take this channel to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So like this video, drop a comment so that it gets to reach to more people that want this kind of video, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.